I'm George Georgios from MIT SDM and MIT JSLI. The first humans on Mars would be in the history books that we all know. Who should these men and women be, maybe children too? Who should these people be, carrying the light of humanity to Mars for all of us?
But really, this is less about, like, you know, who goes there first, or it's the thing that really matters is making a self-sustaining civilization of Mars as fast as possible. This is different from Apollo. This is, you know, this is really about minimizing existential risk and having a tremendous sense of adventure. I mean, the thing that Mars really represents, I mean, there's a whole life insurance and protecting life and ensuring that the land of consciousness is not extinguished, which I think is incredibly important. You know, backing up the biosphere. And to be clear, it's not about everyone moving to Mars, it's about becoming multi-planetary. I think Earth will be a good place for a long time. But it's just, it's the probable lifespan of human civilization is much greater for a multi-planet species. Now that's the defensive argument, but the argument I actually find most compelling is that it would be an incredible adventure. I think it would be the most inspiring thing that I could possibly imagine. And life needs to be more than just solving problems every day. You need to wake up and be excited about the future, be inspired and want to live.